Hey, I'm Mike Jack, here again with another Nugget Challenge. Sons of Fire Canada, we're doing these Nugget Challenges to raise awareness for Parkinson's. You can donate down in the description below. Please help us out for Parkinson's Canada. So we've got some nuggets here. There's 20 nuggets in there. So we've got to eat 20 nuggets with some hot sauce as fast as we can. That's the rules of the challenge. I did this challenge once before. People told me my nuggets were too big and I should try again with some smaller nuggets. So last time I used Beyond Nuggets, and these ones are Gardein. I think it's called Gardein. All right, so got my nuggets here. I'm gonna put some of this sauce here on it. It's from Purple Tongue Hot Sauce. It's carrot, sun-dried tomato hot sauce. Looks like it's 3 out of 5 on the spicy scale. Carolina Reapers and Ghost Peppers. Just open her up. Brand new bottle. I don't think I'm going to put the whole bottle on though, because we haven't tried the sauce yet, so I'd like to save some for later. Right? Jamie wants to try some, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Looks like it's a little clogged at the top there. There we go. Oh. What do you think? That's probably lots, right?
Yeah, you can shake it and see.
Use quite a bit there. It's probably good. So shake them up there. Maybe that shook enough. I think that's good. How's it smell?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Does smell good. Yummy. Alright, so let's get these nuggets on the plate there. I think they're well coated there. What do you think?
Yeah. Because it's a pretty thick sauce, right?
There we go. Let's just move that out of the way there. Okay. Scooching over. All right. We're allowed to use water, just so you know. Water doesn't help.
No.
Just makes it...
I think water slowed me down last time, to be honest. Because I switch my water, I don't...
Yeah. I just mean the water doesn't really make it less hot.
Oh, no.
Okay. You ready to time me?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah. Am I ready? Let's do it. Let's do better. What did I do last time? It was like 2:30 or something like that. I think the best time is around 2 minutes, we should say. I think it's just under, so let's see how it goes.
You ready?
Yep.
Am I in your way?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right.
3, 2, 1, go! $15 seconds. $30 seconds. 40. 45, 55. 1 minute. 105. 110. 115. 118.
I think I killed it, guys. Whew! Dang.
That's crazy, dude.
Dang!
At first, I'm like, whoa, he's going really fast. Like, is he just gonna like? Cause you know, like you naturally go faster at the beginning.
Oof. I'm okay. I'm not choking.
I'm gonna take a screenshot.
Whew. Whew. Well, that was a lot faster. Holy.
Yeah, it's because these have a lot of breading on them still, but they're like comparable in size.
Yeah. Whew. Well, I've been practicing my eating skills over the last couple weeks, I guess, right?
Good job, Michael.
At that burger challenge. Whew. Yeah. And yeah, no cheating or nothing. Some people saw these nuggets before and said they were comparable to McDonald's nuggets,
Oh yeah,
right?
because I did them when I did my challenge with Tiffany and Ashlyn and Christopher.
Yeah.
And Shane approved of them.
Yeah, Shane said they were like, about the same size because I think they're a little fatter.
Yeah.
But maybe not as long or something like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think they're comparable size. But anyway.
Maybe everybody should do the Gardenian ones.
Yeah, for sure. Go get yourself some, I think it's pronounced Guardian. Do we have the package?
I can get it if you want.
Here, I can go get it. I'll show you the package. That's the package there. What does it say? Guardian? Guardian? I don't know. But anyway, whatever they call themselves, that's the nuggets. Go get yourself those nuggets. All right, now it's Jamie's turn to try.
So I have 20 nuggets. And I'm going to use Squall from soy sauce.
Squall.
Squall.
Remember that movie, White Squall?
Yeah, I need to watch it again. I keep talking about how I need to watch it again, and then I forget. Okay, so my time before was like kind of embarrassing. It was like over 5 minutes.
Well, it was not too bad. Some people had more than that.
No, it was embarrassing.
Well, you got the smaller nuggets now, so I'm sure your time will be a lot better.
The sauce is thick. It's like
Whoa, that is thick.
I know, it's like applesauce. It's because it has pears in it.
Oh. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Oh, some more. Whoa. Is there any left? I want to have a little taste, okay?
It's good. It's super gingery. I think it would be delicious on oatmeal.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Move that out of your way there.
My tops are coming off.
Your top's coming off? What? Jamie, not making that kind of video. Alright, you tell me when you're ready. Is that in your way?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here, we'll put it in my way.
Can I be holding one or no?
No, I don't know if that's in the...
Wait, I'm going to touch it because it's steaming.
Just see how hot it is?
That's okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. On your mark, get set, go. Ten seconds in. 15 seconds in. Thirty seconds. $45 seconds. One minute. You're doing good. $115. $130. You're doing really good, JJ. $145. Two minutes. $215. $230. $245. $301.
My goal is 3 minutes.
It was close. 301.39.
Okay. So they were really steaming.
Oh, were they?
Like,
They were pretty hot?
Yeah, in the middle I was like, I moved them and I was like, oh my gosh, these are like kind of burning my
Oh no.
Also, this sauce is delicious, but it was like way too thick.
Yeah. That's kind of what I was thinking when you were putting it on.
Because I was like, my nuggets were dry. But it's delicious.
You still did really good though.
Thank you.
You close to like half the time, right?
It's kind of addicting. I want to try it again.
You want to try again? Do we have some more? You want to try right now?
I got full and I had 5 left.
Should we head to the grocery store?
Maybe we bought them all out from Superstore.
Oh yeah, we have to find a new store. We had to find a new store with them.
Well, that time was good. My goal was 3. I kind of want to do it again.
To get under 3?
Yeah.
All right, well, stay tuned. We're going to have to do more Nugget challenges for Parkinson's Canada. Don't forget to donate. The link is in the description below. And help us get to our goal. Maybe we can find a cure, do some research, help some people out with Parkinson's. And we'll see you next time. Next Nugget Challenge.
This sauce, it is delicious. And if you're going to do a soy sauce, maybe do Cobra chicken or something like that.
Maybe for a Nugget Challenge, yeah.
Yeah.
But if you're having some oatmeal, just use some squall for sure. Some white squall. All right.